This is one of the trades that we've been holding for a while now, and I actually discovered I've not really updated us about this trade NZD-CHF. Yes, New Zealand and Swiss franc. All right, so this is daily time frame, and well, before I continue, this is your guy Michael, the selfless strategic trader. So in case you're just joining us for the first time, we actually welcome you. Thank you for locating us. Thank you for clicking on that thumbnail that you saw. Yeah, thank you for finding yourself here, and do well to subscribe and join the house. And let us inform you that in this house we don't trade anything less than 100 pips. Yes, we don't trade anything less than 100 pips. Yeah, so if you want to know how to catch big pips, if you want to know how to analyze markets like professionals, how to discover what is really moving the market, and how to move the market with the market movers, yeah, let me use that word. So stay subscribed to this channel, leave your like and comment, and join our WhatsApp group and also the Telegram group, so that you'll be able to discover what is going on and the latest thing we are doing at a time. Because there are times that we hold Zoom meeting, yes, Zoom meeting for all the subscribers, so that you not be able to so that we not miss out. Do well to subscribe and do well to join the WhatsApp and the Telegram group. And also try and, in case you don't have a good broker, you can go to the description and check the brokers that I recommended for you guys, so that you'll be able to have a profitable trading and a fair, yes, there's going to be a fair what is it called, spread. Yes, low spread. That's what my brokers offer. So let's go into this trade, and this is NZD-CHF. And if we check it now, how many pips are we right now? This should be 200 pips right now from down. As we know, CHF pairs are not always volatile. So from down to the top, so we are on 290 pips. 290 pips, as we can see here, 290 pips. Because some people just say that I used to drag this cross share up and they don't really know what I'm checking. This is what I'm checking here, 290 pips if you remove the last zero. So because the last zero is like pipette, so 290 pips, that's what excuse me, that's what we are currently. And how did we get here? As we all know, we target liquidity areas. Once we discover a new low or a new high, before we enter the trade, we have to discover that liquidity inside the market, inside the trade, has been taken. See, because I don't want, okay, let me just continue. So we say that liquidity, once we discover that liquidity in the market has been taken, then we take our trade, we enter our trade. Just like this trade, the analysis was on weekly time frame. As if we look at this area, here, this area, we see that we have liquidity line here, and at the same time we can draw it from here to this place, and we discover the areas of liquidity line down there. Yeah, so, and apart from that, if we use the normal structure, we discover that this particular level here, you can see that, what are you seeing there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, so support and resistance traders will tell you that the resistance has been tested how many times, now it's broken. But what we are seeing the liquidity area. So once the liquidity area has been broken, then the way I used to tell us that, once, see, this is lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Price took out this low to give us a new low. went back to retest it, took out this low to give us a new low. Then I told us price will always go back to retest the high that produced a new low, and if it's on a bullish trend, the low that produced the new high. But this way it is low, I mean it is downtrend. So price took out this level here. So when it took out this level with this candle, it went back to retest it. It came again, took out this low. Can we see that it came again, took out this low? So when it took out this low with this candle, so price went back to what? Price went back to retest this level. So when price went back to retest this level, then it's giving us a what? What is it called? Liquidity formation here that looks like a trend. Yes, a trend line. Let me use the word trend line here. So you can see that liquidity has given us a formation which is showing us a trend line here. So price now came all the way, broke all these areas to clear liquidity. Can we see that now? So broke this level to clear liquidity and to give us a new structure. So when price gave us a new structure, price came all the way down to retest the new structure. This is on weekly time frame. So when it's retesting the new structure, it came again. Look, what are you seeing here? Let me mark it for us so that we'll be able to see it very well. So that we are going to be able to see it what are you seeing here? What are you seeing there? That's liquidity area there. You see this double formation. All right, so price now came, took out this liquidity. So when price took out this liquidity, then we leverage on this level that produced the high that took out this trend line, and that's our point of reference for the entry. Yes, that's our bias. So you can now see that it is very simple. You don't have to, maybe you want to, no. See, trading is not trading is not, it's not like one big event like that. It's just simple understanding of what is going on in the market. If you are able to understand what is going on in the market, trading will not be difficult for you. See, now look at what's happening here. We are able to get this trade, and what are you seeing here? So we'll be holding this trade for long. So just the way I used to tell us, you don't need to be stressing yourself. You don't need to be stressing yourself because you want to take a trade, because you want to start trading daily. You see, we have many peers outside there. We have many pairs outside there. You can enter one, you can analyze one pair and you hold the pair for long. When the pair is making enough profits and enough pips for you, you open another trade. Because you're already in profit, we help you to open another trade. So once you open another trade, you enter another trade, you still catch big pips. When that one is running, you enter another trade. It's as simple as that, because we have many trades every day. We have different pairs that will be giving you formation in order to catch big pips. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 pips every day. I mean, every day it is possible. And if it's not every day, because we know that there will always be trade opportunity. It depends on how you trade or whatever, or the way you trade. There will always be trade opportunities, at least in a week. It may not be every day based on what you look at. In fact, your setup may not come like all the, but see, what I know is that in a week there will be time that at least just twice in a week you will see trade that will cover for, like, that will cover pips of many people in a month. You can in a week you can see two setups that will give you a very good clean opportunity. Then you enter and you enjoy yourself. You enjoy yourself. You enjoy the moment. You enjoy the pips. I've been able to show us different trades with different pips, like 1000 pips, 900 pips, 800 pips, just because I waited for an opportunity. I enter the opportunity. Once I see another one, I add more position. It is as simple as that. It is as simple as that. So this pair, now we know this pair is a sluggish pair, and even with its sluggish nature, we are still able to get 290 pips, which by weekend I mean by market close. This is weekend, this is Saturday, so by next week it will go higher. Yeah, it will go higher probably when it gets here, or when it gets here, that's when we are going to be looking towards selling the market. Yes, so I think I will organize what is this called, I will organize Zoom meeting tomorrow. So your comment will actually make you qualify for the Zoom meeting, so that when the time for the meeting has come, all I will do, well, don't worry, that one is left to me. So there is going to be a Zoom meeting for all my subscribers tomorrow, which is on Sunday. So I'm going to communicate the time. So your comment will help you to qualify for the Zoom meeting, so that we can plan ahead. Next we can plan ahead, we can plan how next week is going to be. At least bring your trade, let me analyze for you. I'm going to analyze your trade for you, free. Yeah, free. Yeah, free. At least 2 or 3 people, I should be able to analyze trade for 2 or 3 people. If you are bringing binary, if you are bringing boom and crash, if you are bringing volatility, if you are bringing, just bring your trade tomorrow. And don't, it's analysis, I'm not doing signal. So don't think I'll be saying buy stop, sell stop, sell limits. We want to analyze trade like professionals, as as what we represent. Do you understand? So do well to like and do well to subscribe. I think let me just pause here. I will explain more. I will explain more when we come for the Zoom meeting. So your comments will help you to qualify for the Zoom meeting. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to leave your comment. Don't say I want, just leave your comment. Just leave a comment, leave positive comment if you are blessed, and if you are not blessed, leave your comment actually, and tell us why you are not blessed. All right guys, so we analyze this trade more tomorrow. Catch ya. This is your guy Michael, the selfless strategic trader. Bye bye.